The Bengal tiger, scientifically known as Panthera tigris, is one of the most iconic and magnificent creatures to ever roam the earth. Found primarily in the dense forests and mangroves of South Asia, this apex predator is not just a hunter, but a symbol of balance and survival in the natural world. Its fiery orange coat with bold black stripes and piercing amber eyes has made it a symbol of strength, courage, and beauty for centuries. Bengal tigers are the largest members of the cat family, with males weighing up to 220 kilograms or 485 pounds and measuring over 3 meters or 10 feet from nose to tail. These big cats are known for their muscular build, powerful jaws, and sharp claws, making them apex predators at the top of their food chain. Despite their size, they are remarkably agile, capable of running up to 60 kilometers per hour or 37 miles per hour, and leaping distances of more than 30 feet in a single bound. The Bengal tiger is a master of stealth and camouflage. Its black stripes, unique to each individual like fingerprints, allow it to blend seamlessly into the shadows of tall grass, dense forests, and mangroves. This natural disguise helps them stalk prey, which includes deer, wild boars, water buffalo, and even crocodiles. The tiger's hunting strategy is built on patience and precision. It silently observes its target, using its keen eyesight and acute hearing to detect even the faintest movements. Then, in a sudden burst of power and speed, it launches an ambush, taking its prey by surprise. With their incredibly strong jaws, tigers can crush bones, while their retractable claws grip and hold struggling prey. Tigers are also exceptional swimmers, unlike most big cats. They often cross rivers and swim great distances in search of food or territory, showcasing their adaptability to diverse environments. Unlike lions, Bengal tigers are solitary animals. Each individual tiger controls its own territory, which can span up to 100 square kilometers for males and smaller but still significant areas for females. They mark their territories with scent and claw marks to ward off rivals. These markings are essential for maintaining balance within their ecosystems, as it ensures that food resources are not overexploited. A female tiger typically gives birth to 2 to 4 cubs after a gestation period of around 3.5 months. The cubs are born blind and entirely dependent on their mother for food and protection. She teaches them the art of hunting and survival until they are ready to venture out on their own at about 2 years old. Sadly, only half of tiger cubs survive into adulthood due to natural predators and threats from humans. Despite being one of nature's most perfect predators, the Bengal tiger is an endangered species. Over the last century, their numbers have plummeted from around 100,000 to approximately 3,000 in the wild. Habitat destruction, human-wildlife conflict, and poaching are the greatest threats they face. Forests are being cleared for agriculture, urbanization, and industrial development, shrinking the tiger's natural habitat. Poaching remains a dire problem, driven by demand for tiger skins, bones, and other body parts used in traditional medicine and black market trade. For every tiger killed, an entire ecosystem suffers, as their role as apex predators keeps prey populations in check and ensures healthy vegetation in forests and grasslands. Fortunately, global awareness and conservation efforts are beginning to make a difference. Countries like India, Nepal, and Bangladesh have established protected areas and tiger reserves to provide safe habitats for these majestic creatures. India's Project Tiger, launched in 1973, has been pivotal in increasing tiger numbers in several regions. Today, sanctuaries like Ranthambore National Park, Bandhavgarh, and the Sundarbans are home to thriving tiger populations. Modern technology such as camera traps and GPS tracking has revolutionized tiger conservation. Scientists and wildlife experts now have better tools to monitor tiger movements, study their behavior, and prevent poaching. Community-driven initiatives are also helping, as local populations are educated about the importance of tigers to the environment and are provided alternatives to activities that harm wildlife. The Bengal tiger is not just an individual species, it is a keystone species, meaning its survival is critical for maintaining the balance of its ecosystem. By controlling prey populations, tigers help prevent overgrazing, which in turn ensures the health of forests and grasslands. Healthy forests absorb carbon dioxide, regulate water cycles, and provide habitats for countless other species, including humans. In this way, protecting tigers is directly linked to combating climate change and preserving biodiversity. The tiger is also a cultural and spiritual symbol. For centuries, it has been revered in art, literature, and folklore across Asia. It represents courage, resilience, and the untamed spirit of the wild. Losing the Bengal tiger would not just mean losing a species, it would mean losing a part of our shared heritage. The Bengal tiger's future depends on all of us. Governments must enforce stricter laws to combat poaching and habitat destruction. Conservation organizations need support to expand their efforts. Individuals can raise awareness and make choices that promote sustainability, from reducing their carbon footprint to supporting ethical tourism and wildlife protection programs. The Bengal tiger is a reminder of the wild's raw beauty and resilience, but it is also a warning of the fragility of life in the face of human actions. Together, we can ensure that the roar of the Bengal tiger continues to echo through the jungles, inspiring future generations.